Syukur nak Islam jong unongsan Hima.
Usembon Myntri rangba kejela uba Prestone tensong mentak sengi ulaong. Ba kiladon Jingshah kum Jingshah thombor jong kethanat halat kra ha kabala Thang ya kekali jong kipulit bat ke Jingshah kawang mau jong ke Ïing ke Myntri Sorkar ha weu breu bat kini Jingshah kidai kibamla satya ban Pdiang. Kipulit kila kem ya kibadon kiti ha kidai Jingshah bat ke Jingto kit karang ya sakman bat ka liang jong udang ap ya ka kaipot na kipulit. Ula ongru baka Sorkar kanam aila satya ya kibakum gini ki Jingshah bat ka an kan sa shim ya laka jong ka benta.
The police station was attacked means there is no law and order. There is. And now whatever happened that night, midnight, where ultimately the miscreants, unknown miscreants, they burned even the official vehicle of police. And number two, again, a person which I personally feel maybe, I don't know, mentally not that stable, attack the minister's residence. It is very, very unfortunate. But what happened was, police was already there, arrested him, and now the investigation is still on. So let us see what report or what is to be done next. But let me just tell you, be it that incident happened in the police station or be it that incident happened in our honorable minister's residence, law will take its own course and we will not allow such incident to recur.